Hello Trumpets, and welcome to your third guided music practice video. In today's lesson we are going to be learning our new note A and practicing it in our song. You'll be successful when you can correctly identify what the A looks like in your music and which fingers you need to use to play it, and then be able to play it in your music. Let's open up to exercise 34, our sixth note. So the A is just like the E. You'll see that there. Uses two fingers, 1 and 2. So closest to the mouthpiece, 1 and 2, just like E. You'll see there that it's higher than a G. So we're going to play C, D, E, F, G, just to remember what all of those notes sound and feel like. So starting with a C, and a D, and an E, and an F, and a G, and then the A is higher than the G. So if I play a G, and then an A, and you can also work out what the A is supposed to sound like by playing an E first, and then making it higher. E, A, E, A. See now if you can play C, D, E, F, G, A and go all the way up using all the right fingers. Pause now and try that. Now do it with me. C, D, E, F, now pause and see if you can go backwards. A, G, F, E, D, C, starting from the A. Pause and practice that on your own, going up to A and then back down to C. Now look at exercise 34 and notice where the A is in your music. What space is it in? Can you all see that it's in the second lowest space in the staff, the A space? So F, A, C, E, and A is that one there. So that's a 4 count A. And you'll go A, 2, 3, 4. Say that now. A, 2, 3, 4, and play it with me. And your turn. A, 2, 3, 4, and again. And now look at the next two notes. We have F, 2, G, 2. Play them with me. Pause and practice that on your own. F, 2, G, 2. And now go from the beginning, singing in fingers. A, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, G, 2. And play that with me. And pause and practice that on your own. And one more time with me. Now look at the next two bars. Say the notes and do the fingers. A, 2, G, 2, A, 2, F, 2. And again, starting on A, 2, G, 2, A, 2, F, 2. And play it. Pause and practice that on your own. Now see if you can join the whole thing together from the beginning, singing in fingers, and then play it. Pause now and do that on your own. Now let's do it together, practicing with smart music, making sure that you're singing and counting in your head while you do this. And do it again. And pause and practice that a couple more times on your own, making sure that you're counting in your head while you play and doing the right fingers and matching it to the notes. Now let's look at exercise 35, Twinkling Stars. And you are going to see if you can identify all of the notes that we've learnt so far in exercise 35. So C all the way up to A. Pause now and see if you can work it out. Now look at the first 2 bars. Sing and do the fingers with me. C, C, G, G, A, G, 2. And sing it again. C, C, G, G, A, G, 2. And pause and do it on your own. And now play it with me. 3. Make sure you're singing the notes in your head while you do it. And now play it with me. One more time, just the first 2 bars. And now see if you can do it on your own, just those 2 bars. Now look at the next 2 bars, singing in fingers. F, F, E, E, D, D, C, 2. Pause and practice that on your own, singing in fingers. And now play it with me. And again. And now sing and do the fingers for the first 4 bars. So from the first C all the way to just where we got to. Ready? C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, D, D, C. And play it. Sing it again if you need to, pausing here. How did you go playing those 4 bars? Were you able to correctly identify and play all of those notes? Hopefully you could. See if you can do the next 4 bars on your own. Pause here. Remember, sing in fingers first and then play. Let's check the singing and fingering now. So singing in fingers from the G. G, G, F, F, E, D, 2. G, G, F, F, E, D, 2. Did you notice that those 2 bars were exactly the same as the next 2 bars? Try and play them now, singing the notes in your head. Did you play them exactly the same as each other? Hopefully you did. Let's play it with smart music now. Those 4 bars in the middle. Now see if you can look and work out the last 4 bars. Are there other 4 bars that look exactly the same as the last 4 bars? Look at the first 4 bars. Did you notice that they're exactly the same as the last 4 bars? Can you play the first 4 bars? Hopefully you can now. So now on your own, play the last 4 bars. Pause here. Now let's play the whole song the whole way through together. Remember to sing and do the fingers, pausing here first. And now all together with smart music. If that was really easy, play it again and see how fast you can go. If that was a little bit tricky, rewind and play it again until you feel like you can do it really successfully. How did you go with today's lesson? Were you able to play the new note, our A, and read it and use the right fingers? Hopefully you could. Remember, if you're struggling with anything or you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Otherwise, keep up the good work and happy practicing.